Now we're going to have a look at a quick example of how to use PHP with forms. If we go into the form properties and custom code tab, we'll see there's 6 different places you can put PHP code when using a form. What we're going to do here is we're just going to put some code on before save. So we're going to check for something, and if the answer is wrong, we're going to return an error, and this error will actually stop the process and nothing will be saved. So we're going to check for email address, and as you can see we've got hashes around that to make it a hash cookie, so we can use what's trying to be saved on the screen. And if we don't find an @ sign in the email address, then we're going to display an error and it will stop everything trying to save. Alright, so we'll go into this email here and we'll just change something to org, and no problems. But now if we try to save an email address without an @ sign, nothing happens.